It was a bid by President Cyril Ramaphosa to get religious leaders on board to help fight the spread of the coronavirus. And his call has not fallen on deaf ears.
We've had a most wonderful meeting, a very spirit-lifting meeting. So we rise from here as people in government, very encouraged, very strengthened, and much more emboldened to carry on with the work that we are doing, knowing that we have the support of the leaders of faith-based organizations.
On Sunday, the president declared a disaster over the pandemic and banned gatherings of more than 100 people to encourage social distancing. Church leaders here are in full support of the measures.
From the religious fraternity side is to curb the possibility of infection. But we must also do what we were called for. We must also, in this very challenging times, we must reach out to especially to the vulnerables.
After this meeting with government, we see there is a need to postpone some of our gatherings. As churches, we are assured we will defeat this virus.
We reiterate our commitment to play our role for the betterment of each and every citizen in South Africa, and also reiterate our commitment to play our role to curb the spread of the virus.
But earlier this week, there were dissenting voices. So some church leaders have cautioned those opposed to the cancellation of services of more than 100 people. At least one church has raised eyebrows, speaking openly against the issue of social distance and the ban of gatherings in excess of 100, despite the fact that it may put people's lives in danger.
We are going to survive in this COVID-19, but not to go to Easter services, I don't think it's proper.
But there's a strong warning from this gathering.
The churches that refuse to do this, they actually could face charges of life endangerment, because that's really what it is. And you're creating a situation where people will infect one another and the thing is going to explode.
As South Africa's infection rate continues to rise, another clarion call for everyone to play their part in preventing a further spread. Crisalda Lewis, SABC News in Pretoria.